ciana ici ni kwarahurwo ciarahurwo from nowhere nikirego ikiwa we are leaderless, we are churchless, we are religionless, tutire hatu tribalist, but they don't even understand kile mararwira. Todo the process ya agency yari ya Ngai. Riu andu akwa ngoma aria maina magerera ngoma andu a Luciferic people nio ma engineer the next one to distort todo ne mathondekire kaundu kangi na magathondekirwo mathare niho imwaneire todo routing yekirwo thaa 9 thaa 10.
By the way,
from morning kwari guthaka muno looting todo imwana icio ciokire thaa 9 kuma mathare ciokire thaa 9 nigetha moke maiye mathukangie nigetha credit ya ciana ici ithuke.
Okay,
nanyita
okay,
iyo niyo group 2. Group 1 ni ciana ici, they are genuine, ni ciana cia Ngai na nigo kuoni haria ciokeire. Ruto ndari muthamaki wa guikara, ari okay a prepare transition. No rire araikarire gite kiu ri aranjire kwegacirithia we mwenyewe nikio adisorganize. Nanyita todo system ile agirwo ni gwikira ni system cia Ngai kwa uproot system cia kwa ngoma magioka makimu hijack. There's a time ndamwirite enda gwikara state house na thayo ama mu state house hiyo getha kugena state house yengi ya kuonjeru todo area yake na kigongona kia Freemason, the Luciferic agenda yakiro ni sab even Berlin na kuri indo ciathikirwo riu uri arekire ri arekire renovation no indo icio ciko ni kigongona kiumaga mwaki nikio rona higo cio the way for demonstration kire agenda ria yokaga mbere ni miaki to ni kigongona kia miaki nikio kingi arokite nigetha to ni maramenyire there is a wave that is coming, the mareda go stop nikio kingi arakinyite mbere nigetha magire go stop the wave makie mwaki ungi nikio gwakirwo nyamu cietagwo
tare railway station
nyamu kiu giakitwo every city in the world they have it. Iyo ni agenda ya Luciferic agenda kiu giko gikiga kia mundurume na haria thini kiga kia mutumia to ni agenda ya go spread riri immorality thini wa bururi nigetha kweheria mundu moko-ini ma Ngai. Nwanyita
ndakunyita
niyo niyo mara propete na maga prop uhoro wa gay LGBTQ na maga prop uhoro wa makanitha taru kwe makanitha specific mara finance to ne gay community kana LGBTQ makanitha very prominent
in Kenya.
Mena ma bishop very strong, very prominent, ma pastor very strong, very prominent, mena crowds, mena besha, mena maudu manene muno. The whole agenda was to stop the agenda of God.